Long-term relationships don't come easily. It takes long. Credibility and trust are really the bedrocks of building long-term relationship. So how do you build credibility and trust with customers? A, the customers must have had good experience in terms of using your products, and they must have received business benefits and a very good customer experience from their past experiences of engaging with you and your organization. But there is another very important factor. As a person, when you're engaging with the customers need to see you as more than just a salesperson who is trying to sell their products. They need to see you as someone who is an industry expert because you have worked with similar companies in their industry before, and bring in all of those knowledge in terms of helping customers think through what problems they could be having and therefore what kind of solutions they would need objectively. The customers know that at the end you'd like to sell your products, but they really appreciate the upfront discussion that they can have with you objectively without bringing the product into the equation.